I'm Alex, I'm with Cloze. I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone and Android contacts to Cloze so they sync from your iPhone over to Cloze. It's very simple to do. You're going to do this in settings. You're going to tap on more, tap on settings. That's going to bring you over to the settings menu. Tap on contact sync to expand the section. And then you're going to toggle on sync iPhone contacts to Cloze. In this case, I'm using an iPhone. If you were using an Android, it would say sync Android contacts to Cloze. When you toggle that on, you're going to see all of your contacts import. Happens really quickly. They'll all import and get added into your Cloze account. Now you may wonder what happens after they import. Are they going to create duplicates? The answer is no. We'll take care of that for you. Make sure all your contacts merge automatically so you won't see duplicates. That all happens automatically right on import. And this will work continuously too. So as you add new contacts into your iPhone or Android, they're going to get imported into Cloze automatically as well.
If you need any more help, check out the support section at cloze.com or email us with any questions.